At ngayon naman po ay pag-uusapan natin yung Civil Service Exam 2025 Coverage Breakdown. What to study, what to skip, and how to master every section. Take note po na in the course of the Civil Service Review, we do not request or we do not require na lahat po ng mga, although pasadaan po lahat natin yung mga sections, meron din pong sabi dito na we must have to concentrate on the core subjects kasi 80% of those ang lumalabas po sa examination. Hindi lahat po ng nare-review natin ay lumalabas sa examination. It's only 80% of the core. Yan po ang dapat ang concentration natin sa pag-review.